took everything like 2018.
I'm triggered.
You love my face, just love me, ladies. Check it out.
As you guys can see, I took everything that was on the table and I'm sorting it out. Kamunana, it was some nail stuff, and because there's still some chips in here, nail stuff and makeup. So I don't know, but I've had these since I started doing my face. When I started doing my face, like back in high school, back in 2017, I think. And when I look at these colors, I have like a big palette name, but I was using these ones on the left. I was using them for highlighter, and these ones on the right, I was using them for eyeshadow. But also everything that's here, which maybe I could use for blush, because there's pink I could use it for blush, and then in nothing else really, because like it's literally here. Yeah, but I got this last year, but it has highlighters, as you guys can see, like this one and this one, that one, and then in there are all these shades. So I'm just wondering, should I keep these or what? And then I've taken everything out that I'm not going to use. There's my electric toothbrush, all the supplements I took from the clinic when I was pregnant and I was not taking them. These things are wax, because wax, yeah, no, I saw wax, like this one you paste and then you pull. Is it waxing? Yeah, it's all waxing because du kopani di meltile and so. And also, I don't grow as much hair in my armpits. I don't know, the last time I did my armpits was probably months ago, and I'm not doing it. Yeah, so I'm just taking things out. So I'm just wondering, what are these things? Do I throw them out? What do I do? Do I give them to Melzy? She doesn't do makeup. What do I do to them? And I'm just hoarding things. Year to year to year to year. I'm just keeping them because I think I'm going to use them, but in actual fact I'm not using them. In here I have lashes that I'm not using, bought them last year. And then in these shiny stuff for nails, so I'm just going to put them in here because all my nail tech stuff are in here, small stuff. And then I have tips there, and then in the acrylic and that machine. So I'm just gonna I'm working in section so I'm just gonna work on this table. And also another thing, I just don't know if I'm gonna get copyrighted, but I don't know. I have notebooks from as far as high school. Like, tell me why I'm keeping notebooks. The one that I remember, video documents, they are literally from like 2022. Dictionary in my bedroom. Dictionary, I don't even use it. This one I think 2020, if not 2020, no 2021, because and I got that name in 2020. But this one, baby, this one is from like 2018. So everything just has to go. washing dishes and I'm watching B. Simone's last episode, I'm triggered. And obviously I cannot talk to y'all because copyright, right? Triggered.
What you gonna do with all that junk inside your trunk?
I'ma get you drunk, get you love drunk off my hump, 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 my lovely little lumps. Check it out. I drive these brothers crazy. I do it on the daily. They treat me really nicely. They buy me all these ices, Dolce and Gabbana, Fendi and Donna. Karen, they be sharing all their money. Got me wearing fly, girl, but I ain't asking. They say they love my ass in 7 jeans, true religion. I say no, but they keep giving, so I keep on taking. And no, I ain't taking. We can keep on dating. I keep on demonstrating my love, my love, my love, my love. You love my lady lumps, my hump, my hump, my hump, my hump. They got you. Spending all your money on me.
What you gonna do with all that junk inside that trunk?
I'ma get you drunk, get you love drunk off my hump.
What you gonna do with all that ass inside them jeans?
I'ma make you scream, make you scream, make you scream. 'Cause my hump, my hump, my hump, my hump, my hump, my hump, my lovely lady lumps. Check it out. My hump, 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 my lovely lady lumps. Check it out. My hump, 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 my lovely lady lumps. Check it out.
Hey bestie, as you guys can see that I literally just took a bath. Simple language. Like a clean book, but I don't like Minnie Mouse, so I'm just gonna change the cover to the Barbie one because I have covers the Barbie from years ago, so I'm just gonna change that to make it feel like it's mine because she literally just put this name tag here, but I don't think it helps. I'm just gonna change the whole covering of the book and literally just make it my own. I'm gonna start first by writing a letter to myself for my future self. I'm going to read it next year during this time of the year, because one thing about me, I will start the year, or I will prepare for the coming year even before people get into festive mode. Last year I think I did it around October when I found out I was pregnant. The year previous that, I think I started by doing a new year cleansing at the river around Boma September, I think. So this year I didn't do a river cleansing, but I did some software update. Okay, I've been doing some software update, and I like and love the space or place I'm at spiritually currently. Love it so much, love it to bits, like to bits. Everyone. So I'm just going to write a letter to myself and like sort of journal in a way. So I'm going to use this to transfer each and everything I wrote in the book that I wrote it in, because that's an old book and I want to take out old things. I don't want to, like, I'm holding on to that book so much because it has so many designs. Should I even show you? It has so many designs. But look at my late. Where is it? I don't think it's here. My previous clothing brand, my former clothing brand, whatever you want to call it. It has records of everything. Even the person that I owe 1,000, she wrote down here, and she went on Facebook to actually expose me for owing her money, which is like, I mean, that's her 1,000 table. to get out cash, we bought things that we bought, and we used to put receipts everywhere. Put out receipts, so whatever that is, we bought. But the receipts have ran clear, literally, yeah, man. So this is such an old book. I used to write all this in here, and then yeah, it has, well, way too many things. I don't remember what this was, but it also has like receipt here. Is it Standard Bank? Yeah, Standard Bank. I don't remember, but it's just like a lot of things. Look at that. See that? I think this is from, actually, it's here. Winter 2020. Can you actually see that? So it's just too close to my heart. And I did this design in 2019, and I loved it so much. Actually, guys, I feel like I saw someone wearing, and then here are some more designs. I don't know if you guys can see that, but yeah, I saw someone wearing skipper satés, and I remember we did that, I think back in 2021. Well, I doubt. I think it was earlier than that, because it was before I even got done with school when we made those t-shirts. Yeah, so I'm using that book because that book is not full. It was only for There's clothing line. There's Worldwide on Instagram only. So I'm just going to take out whatever goals that I wrote in that book, just to remind myself each and every time when I come to this new book, what is it that I actually want to achieve in the new year. And an update on that, ne? I think I'm going to give you an update maybe every 2 months, or maybe I will come May, just to like wrap it up, to talk about everything, how things are going, how if I've progressed or whatever. But I will always be vlogging, and you will see how I try to implement or try to change my life in the next coming 6 months. Okay, I didn't put deodorant on. I should do that. So yeah, I just wanted to say that let us reset and get ready for 2025. Let us get ready for 2025. I'm thinking about so much for the year. And I still have a lot going on. This are go and go, guys. It's not like it's rosy. No, it's not rosy. But yeah, I'm expecting a delivery from Take a Lot tomorrow. So I think this whole month is just gonna be for preparation for the new year, because I can't just say I'm doing this reset vlog and I'm dropping it out and then and not upload anything, because I'm not really vlogging, because I'm focusing my mind on what I'm trying to achieve before the year ends. So yeah, we shall see. This whole month we're preparing for the new year. I don't know if I want to make a vision board, because you'll remember I used to have a vision board there, and currently I have all those small papers that 75 had, but I've actually became honest with myself. I'm not gonna do 75 hard. I don't see the reason why I should do 75 hard, because I don't want to do 75 hard. And if I say I don't want to do something, I usually am able to just say to somebody, no, I'm put why, just because I don't want to do it. So I'm not gonna force myself to do 75 hard. And if I can say no to other people, why can't I say no to myself? So I'm literally just saying no to that idea. It was cute to think I want to do it, but in actual fact, I don't want to do it. I don't see a point. It's just about aesthetics. It's about like making wellness shots. It's just for aesthetics. Because why is it that people are taking protein shakes when you can literally just eat meat? Why are you buying greens or pear spinach? Like literally that tablet greens, it's expensive AF. And this is not the first time I'm talking about that, because I'm always tempted to actually buy it. I was looking at it on Takealot and I was like, would be cutesy, will be demure. It would be cutesy, it would be demure. But in actual fact, I don't really need it. Ha ke batla ho ja spinach kapo ha he so phewe spinach ke ja spinach. I don't really need to be putting. So if we're looking at it, I'm actually living a healthy lifestyle. I don't need to use or splash more money just to convince myself, oh, I'm living healthy, when in actual fact I'm just over consuming and overspending, overbuying, just because of I see people having things. The only thing I want to invest on is actually reading hard copy books. I've been saying I want to get into reading since the year 2022, I think, if not 21. I remember in 2021 I used to listen to audiobooks. Listen to it, but then now I feel like I want hard copies. I just want hard copies. The Atomic Habits, I've listened to it, but I think it would make sense for me to actually have a hard copy of Atomic Habits, to actually see the crafts and do the work myself. I think I need more books. I think I need more notebooks, and the notebooks and the income is pricey. If I could just have money, how not to say that. And it's not gonna be me buying clothes, no, it's literally just me it will be just me doing things that make me happy, which is like buying books, having new stationery, writing, drawing. I haven't been able to draw in a minute. I feel like I'm rambling. Let me close off this vlog. I will probably see you around. I love you so much. Be safe out there, groove and all that. Be safe, take care of yourselves, be alert. I don't know what to tell you, because of I don't go outside like that. I don't really go outside like that, so just be mindful of your surroundings, be mindful of everything when you go outside. Be safe this festive season, and if you just need an escape from the loudness of the world, I will still be here for you, bestie. You will find me here, bestie. I love you so much, bestie. A very good night to you, bestie. We'll see you.